Hello viewers, welcome to Domestic News Update on Top Accolade News. First, the headlines. Court dismisses Tonye Cole petition against Fubara's victory. Peter Obi addressed certificate forging leaders in Nigeria. Adebutu reject Ogun tribunal verdict, heads to appeal. Details coming up shortly. In politics, court dismisses Tonye Cole petition against Fubara's victory. In a recent development, the Rivers State Governorship Election Petition Tribunal has officially dismissed the petition filed by Mr. Tonye Cole of the All Progressive Congress APC, challenging the election victory of Siminalayi Fubara from the People's Democratic Party PDP in the state. The dismissal came after the APC, which sponsored Cole's petition, chose to withdraw their challenge against Governor Fubara's victory. The tribunal convening in Abuja stated that due to the withdrawal of the petition by the APC, there was no basis to further pursue the case against Governor Fubara's election triumph. Moving on, Peter Obi addressed certificate forging leaders in Nigeria. In a notable statement, the presidential candidate of the Labour Party, LP, Peter Obi, has emphasized the importance of honesty and integrity in leadership within Nigeria. He firmly stated that leaders who engage in the forging of educational certificates cannot effectively lead and govern the nation. The statement by Obi comes in the midst of controversy surrounding the academic record of President Bola Tinubu, with calls for transparency and verification of educational qualifications. Obi highlighted that while possessing the best qualifications may not be a prerequisite for leadership, being honest and transparent about one's background is essential for effective and honorable leadership. Still in politics, Adebutu rejects Ogun tribunal verdict and heads to appeal. Following the recent judgment by the Election Petitions Tribunal affirming Dakpo Abiodun as the duly elected governor of Ogun State, the People's Democratic Party PDP candidate in the March 18 governorship election, Honorable Oladipupo Adebutu, has expressed his dissatisfaction with the verdict. Adebutu vehemently rejects the tribunal judgment and plans to challenge it by proceeding to the appeal court. In a statement released through the director of media, Ladi Adebutu campaign organization, Afolabi Orekoya, Adebutu declared the tribunal's decision as unexpected and disheartening. He emphasized that the judgment focused on technicalities rather than considering the substantial merits and evidence presented during the trial. Given this, Adebutu is determined to exhaust all available legal options to contest what he believes to be a theft of the people's mandate. You are watching the news on Top Accolade News. Do stay with us. Still to come. Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. On safety matters, tragic explosion at illegal refinery claims lives. In a devastating incident, an explosion at an illegal oil refining site in the Ibas community within the Emoha local government area of Rivers State has resulted in the loss of 18 lives, including that of a pregnant woman. The tragedy unfolded late on a Sunday night while individuals from the community were involved in collecting petroleum products. The explosion engulfed the refining site suddenly, leading to the heart-wrenching loss of lives. Emergency services have been mobilized to manage the aftermath and provide necessary assistance to the affected individuals. In business, mutual funds investment rises 41.6% to 1.9 trillion naira in 8 months. The investment in mutual funds in Nigeria has witnessed a significant surge, experiencing a year-on-year increase of 41.6%, soaring to 1.92 trillion naira in the 8 months, leading to August 2023 compared to 1.354 trillion naira in the corresponding period of 2022. This substantial growth is attributed to the high interest rate on fixed income instruments, an upward performance in the stock market, and increased awareness of the benefit of investing in mutual funds. Money market fund MMF led the rise, constituting 44.62% of the total funds value, followed by dollar funds at 28.97% and bond fixed income fund at 16.72%. Regarding health, NCDC confirms alarming Lassa fever figures. The Nigeria Center for Disease Control and Prevention (NCDC) has reported a concerning rise in Lassa fever cases, with a total of 1,068 confirmed cases across 112 local government areas in 28 states. Tragically, the disease has claimed 181 lives, underscoring the urgency of addressing this public health challenge. Lassa fever, an acute viral and hemorrhagic illness, poses a serious threat, exacerbated by poor sanitation and delayed case reporting. Efforts to combat this outbreak are imperative, urging heightened awareness, improved healthcare infrastructure, and a comprehensive coordinated response to mitigate the impact of this deadly disease. You are watching the news on Top Accolade News. Do stay with us. Still to come. And thanks for staying with us. And now the rest of the news. On entertainment, insurance commencement for the entertainment industry. The recent tragic and mysterious passing of music sensation Ileri Oluwa Oladimeji Aloba, popularly known as Mohbad, has shed light on the necessity for comprehensive insurance within Nigeria's vibrant entertainment sector. The loss of Mohbad has amplified the urgent need for both entertainment stars and insurance providers to reconsider and prioritize insurance coverage. Nigeria's entertainment industry, a major contributor to the national economy, needs a robust insurance framework. In 2021 alone, the sector generated about $8 billion, employing about 1 million people. Yet, insurance coverage within the sector is insufficient. Proper insurance could have provided not only financial security, but also facilitated better healthcare and legal protection. This tragic event underlines the critical importance of insurance, urging stakeholders to reimagine and strengthen insurance provisions within the nation's entertainment sector. In sports, Sporting Lagos triumph in opening game, defeat Gombe United 2-0. Sporting Lagos fans kicked off their Nigeria Professional Football League (NPFL) journey on a positive note, securing a convincing 2-0 victory against visiting Gombe United. The match, held at the Mobolaji Johnson Arena, popularly known as Onikon Stadium, marked Sporting Lagos' promising start in the Premier League. Review Ayowere and Clement Nangtwam showcased their prowess, netting goals to secure the win. Ayowere capitalized on a cross from Jonathan Aluku, heading it onto the net. Nangtwam sealed the victory following a goal-mouth scramble, emphasizing Sporting Lagos' strong start in their NPFL campaign. That concludes our domestic news update for today. Stay tuned for more national coverage and development. Thanks for joining us. I am Jonathan Poway. Connect and engage with us on all our social media handles. Do have a wonderful day.